Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this multifaceted home, which has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in the main house, and two-bedroom flats with their own kitchen, living and dining areas. This income earning house is located in one of the most sought after areas for residential living in Savanna-La-Mar, known as Emmaville Avenue, which is 5 minutes from the town center with all major amenities. Emmaville is part of a scheme consisting of middle to high income earners' homes, only 40 minutes from Negril and 50 minutes from Bluefields Beach. This is an ideal place to live for family or investors wanting to generate additional income. The land area of this house is approximately 11,732 square feet. The neighborhood is quiet and easy to access. Make this home yours today. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $240,000 or Jamaican $36.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.